So we're at the Huntsville Grand Prix talking cycle cars. Stick around. So today we're looking at Skylar Burgess' cycle cart. Skylar, what type of cycle cart is this?
This is modeled after a pre-war GM Jab, British car, and yeah.
So this is one of the coolest cycle carts here. I've long admired this. I know it's very fast. I've seen you drive in the last several Huntsville Grand Prix. And now it looks like it has a wood chassis. Is this chassis wood?
It is not, no.
Okay, so this looks like it's wood.
It's weldable wood.
Okay. So you've done a great job of making it look like it's wood. And you've incorporated a lot of real old stuff into this to give it that real look of being a 110-year-old car.
Yeah, try it. Yeah, it's easy.
Well,
just scavenged parts makes it easy.
Right. And so is this piece functional? Or is this just for appearance?
That's just for appearance. I believe this was an old bug sprayer.
Okay, so it looks like a fuel pump.
Yeah,
okay.
Exactly.
Great, great.
It worked out perfect for that.
And now this radiator grill, that's made from something
That
common.
is just a watering or a trough.
Like a wash tub? Or?
Yeah, a wash tub.
Yeah.
Galvanized wash tub.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just cut the bottom off it.
Very clever. And so it looks like you made your own front axle and all your front suspension bits.
I did, yes.
So this is all scratch-made stuff. This is not...
Yes.
This all predates Renegade, of course, but even if it was Renegade, you would have made your own stuff anyway.
I just kind of got into it and didn't realize that there was so much aftermarket or off-the-shelf parts. So
Right.
Kind of winged it.
And so this exhaust pipe, this looks like it's some sort of a flexible exhaust piece.
It is, yeah. That's just it's actually an actual exhaust, flexible pipe. And
Yeah.
Thought it would work perfect.
I love it. So this little line around the outside, this little copper bit, brass line, this is just all for appearance, right? This is,
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah,
The
so-
original car, I just tried to copy the original car with the fuel shut off. And
So you really captured a lot of really cool details that a lot of guys who build cycle cars just kind of gloss over, including myself. It's easy not to put those bits on there.
yeah.
I have a leather strap on my hood, and I called it good.
Yeah.
But this
No,
looks really cool.
I got looking at closer pictures of the real car and just, this, it's 3D printed.
Oh,
to
really?
match the car. It actually lights up. I put, a light in it.
What a neat deal. The steering wheel looks like it's out of a Mustang.
You know what? I'm not really sure. It was
It
such
looks
an
like-
eBay find.
Yeah, it looks like it might, but it looks right because it's got the wood grain on it.
Yeah. And I dropped it and broke it, so that's why it's duct tape.
It's authentic.
Yeah.
Is the off switch on the dash, is that functional?
Yep. Yeah, that's the kill switch.
That's very, very correct. So the back, I see you have is this a functional tail light or is it?
Well, it's just a battery.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Very cool.
yeah, there's no actual power running to anything. It's just everything's self-contained lights.
Yeah, and this is just a standard Predator motor.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And so this is just very mechanically very standard, but the art in this cycle cart is in the art part of it. The bits and pieces, the little doodads. If you're building a movie set, Grieblings,
Yeah.
Greebly pieces that they use to make things look really old and like really authentic. So as you're building your cycle cars, take a look at this in detail. Use this as inspiration to get some of those details on these really old cars. There's some really cool stuff on these cars that we get the body shape right, but we miss all those little tiny pieces. So, Skylar, thanks so much for sharing your heart with us today.
Forgot to mention the body is actually a fuel tank.
That's the fuel tank.
Yes, it's a 30-gallon.
This part here.
Yes. So here was the original exit, or where the fuel would come out, and where the fake exhaust is mounted to. That's the floor.
Well, I'll be darned.
Yeah, I found it in the field. It was just it might be bigger than that. It might be bigger. It was just it was gas tank, and I just cut it up.
Oh, you're a master repurposer. That's pretty cool. Well, thanks so much for sharing your part with us.
Yeah.
Thanks for bringing it out.
Thank you.
Get out in the garage and build something cool, guys.